Hello, welcome to the channel. I heard, read and seen a lot about this lens. It was time for me to experience all those wonderful things. This is not a cheap vintage lens, nor can it be for so many good features. I can only repeat what others have already done. The color rendering is something special. It is warm and full of tone. I was able to transfer many photos to this video without post-processing. Sharp, wide open indeed, and there are many possibilities to create a wonderful world. Close focus. I suddenly saw beautiful images that you would not expect for something as seemingly simple as a twig or an empty flower bud. I use a helicoid adapter that makes it possible to get even closer than the 35 centimeters on my Sony A7. A great lens that you will start using once you have tried it. I think you want that beautiful color rendering again and again.